Hi, I'm JB from Mass Epoxies. We're here today to talk to you about Flex Mold. Flex Mold is a new way to be able to repair your non-skid. So we've developed 5 different patterns that match about 80% of the boat patterns that are out there today. And if we get beyond those 5 patterns, we've got 49 more that we can look at. But we're going to talk about just the basic ones today. Flex Mold was developed by a friend of mine, Gibbs Slaughter. And basically what you do is, if you have a nick or a scratch that you want to repair, you wax the surface first, you grind it down to the bottom of the pattern where your destruction is, your chip or whatever. You get the pattern that matches it, you lock it into place to make sure that it's not going to slip around. You put a piece of tape on it, you pull it back, you mix up a gel coat. Put your gel coat in this corner here where your hinge is, and then what we'll do is you keep a wave of the gel coat going out in front of the pattern as you put the pattern down into place. You set the pattern down, you take a squeegee and squeegee it out, you let it set, you peel the pattern off about 20 minutes later and you'll have a perfect match of your gel coat. It's very simple, very straightforward. This happens to be a very popular number 102 pattern. Matches bayliners and many other boats. When we look for our patterns, we have a list. The list is on our website at massepoxies.com, or we'll have this on the Jamestown site. And you look for which pattern, like a 102 here matches the Pacific trawler boats. Or we know that Mastercraft use 106 and 302 on their boats. And you'll just have to match the pattern to do your repairs. The pattern comes in this tube in a 1 foot by 1 foot sheet. You take the pattern out, it already has a mold release on it. You cut it to whatever size you want with a pair of scissors. You can use this over and over and over again. When you feel that the pattern or the mold release is starting to wear on it, all you have to do is take water, wash it off, add more mold release to it, and you can use it over. These sheets come up to 4 by 12 feet, so we can do larger sizes, but these are the standard sizes for retail applications, and most people don't need more than a foot of material. If you are doing a larger application, we'll move this over here. If you are doing a larger application, you've replaced your deck, let's say, and you want to just do work on part of your deck, and you've sanded it all down and you have it ready to go, you just tape off the edges where you want the pattern to be. You put more gel coat in here, but you do the same thing. You move this forward in a wave-like fashion, keeping all the gel coat out in front of it. Take a squeegee and squeegee it out. Let it set, peel it off, and it'll match your pattern in those areas. Flex Mold is very simple to use. Comes with basic instructions inside of the tube. Match it, mix your gel coat, you're ready to go. That's Flex Mold.